Alright guys, got the next sauce in the series. This is Pirate's Brew. And this one is a chipotle hot sauce. And they rate this one a 6. Now I just did a review on the Blazing Newfie. And with this one, I thought it had a chipotle flavor. But this one's specifically chipotle. So we're going to see what this one's all about. Again, a very straight liquid sauce, not super chunky, very pourable, which I really like. Alright, this one says we have fire roasted chipotle and a versatile base of fresh cayenne. Okay. Ingredients on here are cayenne peppers, vinegar, water, fresh garlic, spices, salt, and xanthan gum. Give another little shake. Crack the top open. Give her a whiff. Okay, Pirate's Brew. Interesting. I smell the smokiness, but totally different. The other one smelled, this one, the Blazing Newfie, smelled kind of like a barbecue sauce. This one smells completely different. It's smoky, but it's more tomatoey and like a pepper scent. Yeah, it just smells like less sweet than like a barbecue sauce. So let's just get right into it and try it out. Okay, you can see very liquidy. Okay, now this one's rated a 6, so let's see how the heat is as well as the flavor. Wow. Okay. That was interesting. First of all, I'm going to say it's not as hot as I thought it would be. And I think this one, personally, just my opinion, but I think this one should be rated more of a 4 instead of a 6. The one I just did before, this Blazing Newfie, this is rated a 5, and I thought this should be a 6. But this one I'm going to go the reverse. I think this one should be knocked down a few pegs because it's really not as hot. Comparing to the other sauces and their scale, I don't think it's as hot. Another thing is you don't get that huge chipotle flavor with this. It's weird. I can't really pinpoint it. You have just a little bit of smokiness to it, but it's not. It's nowhere near like I said, like a barbecue sauce like this one is. So that's weird. It's weird. It's interesting. First off, let me just say that it's delicious. So far, all of these Maritimemadness sauces have been extremely, extremely tasty. But this one is, I would say, a disappointment if you really like that chipotle flavor, because I'm not picking much of it up in my mouth at all. I just don't taste it much at all. And the heat, it's hot, but it's nowhere near as hot according to their own scale. So this one for me, I wouldn't really call it a dud because I think it's absolutely delicious. But compared to the other sauces so far, it's the only real slight disappointment. So Pirate's Brew, interesting. Not as if you really like that smoky chipotle flavor, I would definitely go with the Blazing Newfie over this one. So it's kind of interesting. So anyway, we're gonna get a lot hotter with our 6th one in the series coming up next, and that one's rated at a 7. So we'll see what that one's all about, and we start getting into the habanero spectrum of things as well. So anyway, Pirate's Brew, kind of a, not really a thumbs up, thumbs down. Flavor-wise, I will definitely still give this like a 7 or an 8. I'll probably say a 7. It's still very tasty. It's just not exactly what I was expecting. Heat-wise, definitely drop it down to a 4. Just my opinion. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Many, many more videos to come. Take care.